I think it's natural that people ask, should I do this? Can I do this? Who will I be if I pursue this? So I think that's totally normal. My reaction as a person, I would say, is why not? Let's go for it. Should I do it? I don't know. Let's find out. So I started out as an actor, which everybody does, and I discovered during that period that I loved writing plays. And so when I went to pursue my master's, it was in playwriting. I think people who do acting or playwriting only are so specialized. They're so passionate, and I like everything. I'm interested in everything. And so I couldn't stop. I wanted to learn about more things. I wanted to discover more history, and I wanted to do dramaturgy, and I wanted to direct. And so I just kept pursuing that knowledge. So I got my PhD in theater history and discovered teaching, which I loved. I want to help students know that as they move through a creative life, they can resist the pressure to define themselves as one thing. I think when people look at you from the outside, they want to know how to categorize you. They want to know, are you an actor? Are you a writer? Are you a director? No, but what are you really? What's your number one thing? This happens across the board in life. I find a lot of pleasure in being a multi-specialist, and I don't see any reason why students can't do that, why they can't be the combination of things that makes them happy, that's unique to them. I think it leads to more interesting, creative people. People will drop in the little thing like, I wish I could act, or I wish I could write. And then when I hear that, I go, well, why not you? If you write, then you're a writer. You can write something short, and it doesn't have to be all in the service of a big final project. It can just be to write something, and that is a success. Or if you consider yourself a writer and you want to try directing something, if you direct something, then you're a director. I love, love, love seeing those things come to fruition for them. I think when we think of success as a concrete thing that there's only so much of, then yeah, we tend to sort of gatekeep or guard or not want people to have their portion of it for fear that we're going to have less. But my student success has never limited my personal success. In fact, it's usually been complementary. I know students who have gone on to work professionally where actually their experience has been a huge benefit to me. They're people I can ask questions of and understand what they do and get advice or connections. There is no downside to my students being wildly successful however they choose to do it.